Don't mind my background, but I finished painting them. This one, I don't know what the heck that is, but I thought it was cute, so I did it. And then I did a little spider web, something simple, because I tried like a bunch of things and they didn't work. And so this is what I'm going with. So now all we have to do is put this clear gel coat on, and right when we put it on, we'll go under this thingy and I'll show you.
What does that mean?
I don't know what it's called. It's like it like cures, this is the word, it cures the gel. So we're gonna do that, and then that's pretty much it. I got this thing, I think less than $10 on Romwe, and then the gel you can get at your local beauty store or whatever. It's just clear. I like doing just clear because you can do your own thing and then just add the clear on top, and then it lasts 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm gonna show you this thing, and that's all for the video. Like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy this light thing. Okay, bye.